What is the stress for Juan Pablo Molina? The stress is a feeling of physical or emotional tension. It can form any situation or goal that makes you feel frustrated, angry, or nervous. Below, we will describe 6 causes of stress in different environments. Table of contents. Number 1, physical stress, devil and daisies. Number 2, physiological stress, economic factor. Number 3, family environment stress, but coexistence. Number 4, friend environment stress, acceptance. 5, school environment stress absence. And 6, work environment stress workload. Number 1, physical stress developed at disease. Developed at disease, when a person realizes that they had a disease, it might isolate, it generates a high level of stress, which leads them to look for the cause and possible solutions for said disease. The stress that the person is going through is usually generated by anxiety and anguish. This type of physical stress is more common in people with terminal disease such as cancer, HIV, heart disease, and chronic kidney disease. Number 2, psychological stress. Factor economic. Economic factor. This is one of the many causes of psychological stress. The lack of money accompanied with debts and responsibilities, general uncertainty, worry, and headaches. This factor mainly affects the population with limited resources and with numerous families, since they must think about how to support themselves financially. Number 2, family environment stress, but coexistence. When families are lax, it is common for some members to have habits that are not pleasant for others. This generates great tension between the members because of cause of stress in the family environment, generating into strong problems, verbal aggression, physical aggression, and even break up with the family. Friend environment stress, acceptance. Many people are afraid or lonely, which is why they are constantly searching for acceptance within their social circle. This situation generates stress in the individual, since he is subjected to various and constant personal and social criticism. Although friendly as normally a positive and pleasant experience, friends also have the power to bring about negative emotions since white are exposed to flies. Stress and low self-esteem. Number 5. School environment stress. Exams. The students as sports and to a stress situation when they are about to have an exam or an important homework within the different subsets. Stress can be manifested before the presentation of side exams or homeworks and the moment in which they are being carried out. It can also be manifested during the presentation of the same and even more so if the topic is not fully understood. And finally, the stress can also manifest after taking exams or works, while the students are waiting for the results and even more of so they grade adult late. And 6. Work environment stress, workload. There are many people who have a lot of workload, so this situation generates too much stress. Generally, these people have to work long hours and they don't have a good time to rest, or in other cases, they have several activities to do at the same time. This is the most common cause of stress in the work environment. This is the finish. Thank you for attention. This is the work of Juan Pablo Molina that the Institución Universitaria Digital de Antioquia para el course for the course de English 3. Goodbye.